This video will demonstrate how to install an Enerlites dimmer switch. In this reference, we'll be using Enerlites model number 55300. While this product can be used in both single-pole and three-way setups, this video will cover only a single-pole setup. For this installation, you will need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, wire nuts, and a voltage tester. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Next, remove the wall plate covering the existing switch and unscrew the switch from the electrical box. Carefully pull the switch out of the box, exposing the wiring. Use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is off. Then, identify the following wires: the line wire, load wire, and ground wire. Once the wires have been identified, go ahead and disconnect them. Take the new dimmer switch and, using the provided wire nuts, connect the wires as follows. Connect the black wire from the dimmer to the line wire in the electrical box. Connect the red wire without an orange tag from the dimmer to the load wire. Connect the green wire from the dimmer to the ground wire in the electrical box. Since this is being installed in a single-pole setup, take another wire nut to cap off the traveler wire on the dimmer. Carefully tuck the connected wires back into the electrical box, ensuring they are not crimped or pinched. Secure the dimmer switch to the electrical box using the provided screws. Ensure that the switch is aligned properly and sits flush against the wall. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Test the dimmer switch by turning it on and off, as well as fine-tuning the adjustment dial. Once you see that the switch is working correctly, secure the wall plate over the dimmer switch. To learn more about Enerlites lighting control solutions, visit Enerlites.com or talk to a sales representative to learn more.